In her ongoing battle with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, Lola Barkley has endured 5 rounds of chemotherapy and 2 blood transfusions. Her only hope now is a blood marrow transplant.
I always just take it one step at a time.
But there's a new medical breakthrough that could help patients like her. Scientists at Canada's McMaster University announced today they discovered how to turn human skin cells into blood cells, and that it's possible a small patch of skin the size of a fingernail could provide a full blood transfusion. They expect clinical trials to produce results by the end of 2012.
Our next challenge will be to take our small amounts of skin where we're making a few blood cells, and now to take larger pieces of skin and be able to make these cells in large ampules or bags that we could then transplant into people, much like a transfusion product.
Researchers took a piece of human skin and cultivated the cells in a petri dish. By adding saline solution loaded with proteins, those skin cells were converted into blood cells. About 70% of all patients who need a transplant are unable to find a match in their family. The hope is that Dr. Bhatia's research will eventually eliminate the need for blood marrow drives like this one.
I think our demonstration opens up the possibilities that other types of cells could also be converted from blood, and certainly things like liver cells, pancreatic cells, potentially neural cells.
Researchers are excited because this approach avoids the controversial stem cell debate.
The promise here is that it avoids a lot of the ethical issues that have really plagued stem cell research, because here you're taking cells that are coming from you.
As she waits for a bone marrow donor,
And I believe somebody's gonna turn up.
Lola Barkley remains hopeful and says she'll continue fighting until science catches up with the aggressive lymphoma she's determined to beat. Jay Dow, CBS News, New York.